Hello, my friend. This is Nonna Maria again with another Sicilian recipe. Let's see what we're making. Okay, today I'm gonna make swordfish spiedini. It's a Sicilian recipe that my mom, my dad, well, my whole family, we used to love it when we make. Anyway, for the full recipe, always remember to subscribe on my YouTube channel at Nonna Maria 1433. And we're gonna start. Okay, you've seen the fillet sliced thin. This is very little. I'm one person. But here we have fresh breadcrumbs, thyme, oregano, pine nuts, grated lemon peel, and this is the only time, believe it or not, how we had cheese for fish, but also very little pecorino romano. If you can see, it's a very sharp cheese. I really don't like cheese on fish, but for this recipe, okay, this is pecorino romano, some lemon peel, fresh pepper, like I say, raisins, pine nuts, and salmorillo at the end. This is a mixture of oregano, fresh parsley, little fresh garlic, very little grated olive oil, of course, and the juice of one fresh lemon. You put it at the end. Okay? Now, we put good amount of olive oil. And we mix. I toast it gently. This is the fresh from my little stale bread. It's fresh breadcrumbs. No, we need a little bit more.